Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what device you have and noting the OS version so you pick the right method. Once done, power off fully and remove any case or debris that might jam buttons. Stuck volume or power keys force safe mode on many phones. Perform a normal reboot and watch the boot messages. If safe mode persists, you've removed mechanical causes and are ready for software steps. Make sure to back up quick screenshots of any on-screen warnings before proceeding. Now address software controls. On Android, pull down notifications and tap Safe Mode to disable if available, or hold power and choose Restart. On some models, press and hold Restart to exit. For Windows, open msconfig, go to Boot, uncheck Safe Boot, apply and restart. This clears boot flags. On macOS, restart and avoid holding Shift. If it still enters safe modes, reset nvram/pram. Once done, verify normal boot and check recently installed apps or drivers that might force safe mode. Finish with deeper repairs if normal methods fail. Use Android ADB or Recovery to clear cache partitions and uninstall offending apps from command line. This removes persistent triggers. On Windows, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, update or roll back recent drivers, then reboot. If the device still boots into safe mode, boot from external media to repair or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.